adventures that you can pay for in EF. This morning we got out around 9. I think it's around 11 maybe, probably 10-ish. Right now I am in the island, but I'm in specifically in Casa. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's extremely windy, so and anyways, yeah, it's been a good trip overall, and I've had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to go back home because I'm excited to see my peeps, and bring back the presents that I have. So yeah, I'll see you guys later throughout the trip. It's a pretty free day, so I'll probably just record the dinner and just close out vlog. So bye. Well guys, it's finally over. We had our dinner, as you saw. I guess I just can recap a little bit what I did today. I'm I have a sore throat. I don't know what I have. I don't think it's COVID. But yeah, so I don't know what I have. I don't think it's COVID. I would say I would rate the dinner tonight I don't know, a 6 out of 10. It was okay, but it was meh. It wasn't that big of a deal. The cod was good. The dessert was probably a 4. So yeah, and then I think earlier I had a lasagna, which was, I would give that an 8 out of 10. And the cake, the carrot cake, I don't know if I took a picture of it or not. It was really good. It was an 8 out of 10 as well. And that was doing the Aran Islands, or Aran, I don't know how to pronounce it. See, yeah, I'm very sick, so I can't really remember what we've been doing all this time. But pretty much what we did today was just the Aran Islands and tour it. And we went to the Dome Agasa or something like that. But yeah, that has been my adventures for the last 16 days, I believe. I won't record much of me coming back home, but what I will do during the airport before I leave, I will record my experience, feedback, and probably things that I don't know, like I would have preferred to bring along, might have forgotten, or something around those lines, you know. So yeah, that's been my day. And then I think yesterday, I don't remember doing a closing yesterday, but I think I did. So it's been long and I've gotten sick. So yeah, anyways, I'll see you guys later, and thank you so much for watching Alex Ultimate's Adventures. Follow along for my next trip. I will be putting up more videos during that time. So yeah, see you guys later.